Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from your PlayStation 4 to your PlayStation 5. So, the first thing that you need to do is turn on both the PS4 and the PS5. Make sure they are connected to the same network. And no, you do not need two monitors or two TVs. You can just connect your PS5 to your TV and then just turn your PlayStation 4 on and make sure that it's connected to the network. Or to make this process go a lot faster, you can connect an Ethernet cable. I'm going to show what that looks like now on the screen if you don't know what an Ethernet cable looks like, and connect them via an Ethernet cable. So one side into your PS4, the other side into your PS5, and that will make this process way faster. So over on your PS5, go over to Settings, which is the gear icon here in the upper right-hand corner, or however you want to get to Settings, and then go down to where you see System. Go ahead and click on System there, and then once under System here, go over under System Software and go all the way down to Data Transfer. Once we're here, it says transfer data from your PS4. You can transfer only your own data. Transferring data will not remove it or delete it from the PS4, and data stored in extended storage will not be transferred. So that means basically like an external hard drive, that's done via basically plugging the external hard drive into your PS5 and then just going about it that way. So now go ahead and click on continue here. It'll say please wait, make sure your PS4 is turned on and both PS4 and PS5 are connected. It'll now search for your PS4, and if it's connected to the same network, which I'm crossing my fingers. Also, a pro tip here while we're waiting, make sure that your PS4 is up to date and it has the most recent software update on it. All right, once you've done that, it'll say please wait, and it should within a few seconds, depending on how long it takes for your PS4 to restart and then prepare for the transfer. All right, and then once your PS4 has been found, you need to press the power button on your PS4 for 1 second until it beeps. So go over to your PS4, press the power button for a second until it beeps, and then let go. All right, once you've done that, it'll say please wait, and it should within a few seconds, depending on how long it takes for your PS4 to restart and then prepare for the transfer. Now we can see that we can select save data to transfer. Now all of this save data can go per game. So as you can see, we have Final Fantasy 15, The Last Guardian, Horizon. All of this here is save data. This is not the game itself. This is just save data. So we're going to go ahead and select save data from Final Fantasy, Horizon, Uncharted, and let's say God of War. You can also just select or deselect all here, so I can select all my games or I can just deselect all my games. But I'm going to go ahead and go on a game-by-game basis, and then I'm going to go ahead and just select Next in the lower right-hand corner, and then it's going to say select games and apps to transfer over. Now, these are the actual games. So I want to transfer over Ghost of Tsushima, I want to transfer over The Last of Us Part 2, I want to transfer over, let's see, what else do I want to transfer over? Final Fantasy VII Remake. These are the games that are on my PS4 hard drive that can be transferred over. Now remember, if a lot of your games are on external hard drives, you just need to unplug that, plug that into your PS5, and then basically go to data transfer and you'll find the external hard drive there or be able to play directly off that external hard drive. So once we've selected the games and the save data that we want to transfer over, go ahead and click Next right there in the lower right-hand corner. It'll say data transfer ready to start. It'll say estimated time 4 minutes. Go ahead and start the transfer. It'll show you a progress bar, and then within seconds or minutes, depending on how many files or how large the files are and the quality of your network, you should see all of those games and save data over on your PS5 now. All right, and now once everything has restarted and the PS5 has already transferred everything over, you can go over to your game library under your collection, and you can see now that I have the Ghost of Tsushima, I have the Last of Us Part 2, and they are over on my PS5. And that's it. Now your games are over on your PS5 from your PS4. You can also do this, obviously, by just inserting the disc into your PS5, but it's much quicker to do it this way. You will have to upgrade these games from PS4 to PS5 version. I have a video showing you how to do that. I'll put that down below in the description. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, help me out by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel for more great tech tips just like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.